Okay, sorry about just a second. Stream should be up on YouTube in a minute. Yes, it's up on YouTube and Control R. Is it Control R? Yes. Reset the timer. Everything is good. I want to see if Twitter stream is up or not. Yes, Twitter stream is up. Let me just tweet about it. And also, sorry for the delay. Um, I was just having dinner and it took some time. That's the only thing. Red, no. Police live now. Join in. Okay, so let's start with this. So, if you're watching on Twitter, please do like. Okay, this is ridiculous. I'm trying to open the chat window and it says I'm not live. Yes, now it works. Let's see. Okay, Twitter is pretty. I want to say useless, but I'll get banned. So, hi everyone, welcome to part 17 of on building LST on say. Okay, so you will see some modifications here. What I did was I just removed whole thing, the part where we were associating the address. uh, is not needed. So that part I just removed and everything else is same. Now we have signer, and we are trying to see if all these things are correct or not. We have deployed stake say liquid staking, and now we are trying to check. Just a second. Yeah, now we are trying to check if we can transfer the ownership with temp as a signer and all other things. Yeah, so we have transfer ownership function, right? It's two-step tra- transfer, two-step ownership transfer, where we'll first assign this. uh, we'll first call this, and then staking contract has to accept that. So there are two steps here. When we are transferring the ownership, it should emit an event, and that's what we are checking at this point. We are checking emit uh, event name, and we know what arguments are there. So event argument. If we say something else, it will fail. Well, uh, for running it, we first, as you know, we need to run this, the local node. and now we'll run the test. Okay, where okay, you see such an error in ownership transfer started event, error in first argument assertion. So first argument is not correct, we already know that. And if we run this, you see everything passes. Now what we want to do is we want to check, no, we want to call this, we have this function where is this liquid staking accept ownership function. So we are going to use that accept ownership owner. We have everything else. Yeah, we have we have everything else. Let's start with await liquid staking dot accept ownership, and we'll check owner staked say owner equal to await staked say dot owner, and we'll say expect staked say owner to be equal to staking contract address. Ownership of token wrong owner. Let's say, yeah, wrong owner, it should suffice. Oh, wrong owner. Wrong pending owner. Let's see. We don't have to run it every time, but as we are just testing, as we are just learning these things, I'm okay with that. Just testing again, running the command again and again. But after a while, you'll get hang of it, where you don't have to do this multiple times. Another thing, I want to check um, yeah, I want to check balance. Let's copy this, put it here. Check balance, recipients, sender. We don't need these. In this, we are gonna say provider dot get balance. Yes, await provider dot get balance. Also, are we provider? Yes, that's why we didn't get the autocomplete. provider. Now let's check. Okay, no, there is some other issue. Address will be recipient dot address, and we'll just console log it. Console.log. What should we do? Balance of balance equal to, we know which address, which one is which, so we don't have to actually do anything. Check, await, let's see. Owner user temp. Hopefully we'll get something. Yeah, so for first we have balance, for second, third we don't. Why is that? Okay, now I'm confused. We need balance for all of them. Owner, user, temp, not R, just temp. Okay, we keep adding that. Oh, sorry, I'm the dumb one. Uh, Give me a second. I want to check something. Also, how many of you guys are in the Twitter live stream? Let's see. There were four, no, three concurrent viewers. That's great. Someone from Netherlands. I think Kunal is there. Hopefully, because he just liked the tweet. So I am assuming he's there. But if not, it's okay. Anyway, what I was saying was, yes, admin, owner, ten. Hey, Arjun is here. Hi, at the rate Arjun. Okay. Yeah, so what I was doing was this part. Let's just say user temp, and hopefully we'll see something change. Why we are not getting this? Okay, I'm not really sure. what's happening here. Log balance. Yeah, let's do await log balance, and we'll say owner owner. I know. Now we are gonna say user. I just want to get all the logs. Temp temp. Okay, I know that's not actually useful. We are, yeah. Can we do like wallet dot address dot slice 0,4? Yeah. Again, we keep increasing the owner, but we are not actually doing anything. Why these? There is no error here. Do we have like const t const tx equal to, and let's just like console log the whole thing. Tx tx. Also, if you get incorrect account sequence, I'm not sure what's the error, but I just run it 2 or 3 times and it just works. Tx. Yeah, you see, we ran it like 2 times and it worked. To this address from, everything is correct. We got the transaction ID. Can we see it here? No, I don't think so. Anyway, if we can't see it, don't know what was the issue, because transaction is not failing. That's for sure. The par the issue here is transaction is not failing, but still we are not able to get the balance. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know where uh, I'm creating this issue. Let's just remove all these. Yeah, back to our original state. Okay, ignore that. Yeah, this works. Okay, now we have another balance. So it's like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There is some issue. I don't know what's. You see, the owner balance keeps increasing. Can we do owner dot? Oh, is it actual? Oh no, no. Send funds is our function. Can we just do like ethers transfer ether. That's the issue when you are working with Foundry for so long, you forget like almost all all the things. So we know owner is getting something. Not owner. Yeah, owner only. Owner is getting all these things from all these tokens from admin, and we want to convert. We want to send those tokens from owner to other accounts. Transfer say from owner to other accounts. We'll just say await owner dot send transaction to no uh, we can do the send funds. Remove this. We have owner, right? Let's just send 1000 say, and here we'll say owner user temp 10. Oh, we don't have. Cut this, put it in the global scope, global or whatever. um, One in the describe blog, describe block, not not this. Let's say await log balance, and we will say temp owner owner user will see something. Okay, I really don't understand now. Okay, I guess we are doing something wrong somewhere. Don't know at which point. Control F, temp. Yeah. Okay, so we figured out one part, that's not one part. No, ignore this. Just watch this part. Okay. Okay, we figured out the deployment and few parts. So deployment is correct. We are sending we are setting the owners correctly. Now only part that is remaining is actual testing the delegation logic. No, deposit and withdraw. I guess we haven't done actual delegation one. Okay, cool. Let's stop the node. Remove. Exchange rate. We have done exchange rate somewhere. It should be somewhere at the bottom. Yeah, get exchange rate. This part we have exchange rate, and we are using it. Withdraw exchange rate. Yes, you see. And I think we need to add precision here. So we'll lose precision when we are using this, right? Uh, yeah, something like that. And now we want to delegation amount, delegate, reward length. Okay, all these are dependent on the node, if we have node running or not. So I'm just assuming this is correct. We haven't written any test for it. We are just going on guts here, not actually tests. Okay, we figured out one part. Now what we can do is we can start writing mocks. So we are mock staking. Mock staking is no. Let's first import interface. iStaking source slash interfaces slash precompile slash iStaking.sol is iStaking. Okay. What should we do? Delegation is straightforward. We just need undelegation is the issue, because when you do undelegation on chain, it won't actually it won't have a withdraw function. It just automatically gets deposited into your address or your wallet. So that's the part where I'm worried. Like if we create this, if we create the mock, it won't actually work correctly. Let's mark this as abstract. Liquid staking, view function, owner function, owner, headers, delegate, slash delegation functions. Yeah, now we want function delegate it will take string array call data validators comma amount. So uint256 array call data amounts. Okay, it will be external and it should be restricted to something. Sorry, we are gonna access control it. I just don't remember the modifier's name. Access manager, access control, default admin. No, default admin rules. Okay. Mod no, any of these functions using modifier. Okay, only role, that's the name, and we have delegation bot. only role delegation bot works. We'll say redelegate and undelegate. All will keep the logic of the whole thing off chain, nothing on chain. How we want to delegate and undelegate. This smart contract doesn't need to be too complex for people to understand, and then we are just gonna loop over all these things. So no, delegation. Okay, for UN 256 length equal to validators dot length for UN 256 I equal to 0. I is less than length I plus plus we want to do we have staking contract. Staking contract dot delegate. Let me open that. Delegate whatever this first will be address of the validator. So validator I, and we need to send value with it. Value will be amounts I. Okay. Require okay, everywhere else we are using if right, if else, revert. Yeah, we are just using if else. If validator dot length is not equal to amounts dot length, revert error liquid staking array mismatch. I know we are gonna handle this off chain, but still it's better to have this. All of these things will remain same, just actual function will change, and the function arguments. Oh, okay. Can we say yes? We can. So let me just check. Right. This will be array array of array of arrays which will have two strings in it. So something like this. No, ignore this. We don't need it. We don't want it right now. And then we have test 1, test 2, four, and 3. Yeah. And that's great. You understood this part, right? Now for redelegate, this is a redelegate function. It takes these arguments. So remove this part. We have validators dot I 0, amounts dot I 1. For undelegate, this amount, so we just need to move this inside. Yeah, hopefully you guys understood what I'm trying to say. Yeah, hopefully. If not, please let me know. Okay, I guess this part is enough. Yeah, another function we need is uh, this part, withdraw rewards. So you see, we have distribution, right? We have all these things, withdraw multiple delegation rewards. So let's write that too. Function withdraw rewards string array validators, then we'll say external only role delegation bot, Oh, yeah, call data. What else is now we just have to do same thing. Instead of this, we'll say, what's the name? Distribution contract. We don't even need that. Distribution contract dot withdraw multiple rewards validators. Okay, I think we have everything we need. For now, it's this is enough. We don't need more from this contract. The contract is done. Yeah, contract is done. Now only part remaining is testing and writing the bot. So handling all the we want to handle all the things off chain, right? So for that we need to write a like simple bot that does all the calculation off chain, and we will just allow that bot to uh, call these functions: delegation, undelegation, redelegation, and withdraw rewards. Okay, cool then. I guess I'll stop early. I know 15 minutes are left, but by my time it's not. I do streams from 9:30 to 10:30, and it's already like 10:26. So maybe I didn't set the timer correctly. Okay. If you guys like the stream, please let me know how it went. If I can improve something, I'm pretty sure I always can improve something. So let me know your suggestion. Let me know what your suggestions are in the comments on YouTube, or tweet at me, DM me, whatever, however you can reach me. Please do that. And yeah, I think that's the stream. You already know the tomorrow's topic, which is testing, more and more testing. Yes. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Another thing, yes, please do like and subscribe on YouTube. If you are watching on Twitter, do follow me, and go on those other other platform. And if you are a YouTube viewer, follow me on Twitter. If you are a Twitter viewer, go follow me on YouTube. It helps me. Uh, Not sure how, but I want to increase my subscriber count. Okay, cool. Have a nice day then, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.